What are the best categories to sell on Amazon and how much money do some of these products make? In this video, I jump in with Mike Sieben, my business partner. We're going to show you exactly what that looks like and so much more. So let's dive right in.
All right, Steven. So as you can see, I've navigated to Amazon.com. What we're going to do is we're going to jump into the category section by clicking on the left-hand side. What we're going to do is take a look at the main parent categories. So that's where we're going to start. And we're going to take a look at the beauty and health category. We sell lots of different items from this category on our account. So let's dive in and see what we can find. In here, we're going to choose one of the beauty, health, and personal care categories. And we're going to start taking a look at some different brands. So I'm going to go vitamins and dietary supplements, and we're going to see some of the products that come up. And we're going to dive into some of these specific products. So some of the first ones we're seeing here is this Natural Vitality Calm. So let's dive in and let's have a look at what these products do here on Amazon. So as you can see, this is a magnesium supplement. So let's take a little bit of a look at what the numbers actually look like for a product like this. So if we navigate here to our hero scanner, we're able to actually see what the monthly revenue and monthly units sold are. So for this one single magnesium supplement, it actually sells 2,139 units every single month,
Nice.
Equating to about $71,000 in revenue every single month. So you can imagine that if you were sharing this buy box or taking a portion of these sales, that could be very significant just by plugging in one of those products. So it looks like Natural Vitality Calm is a fantastic product. Let's take a look at a few more, why don't we? All right, so another one we see here on screen is a BioSteel product. So it looks like this is a hydration mix. Again, this is one single size, one single flavor, the rainbow twist. So again, let's take a look at the numbers. If we pull up our scanner here, we can actually see that this one BioSteel product does $26,000 every single month.
I'm just thinking about it, Mike. With this one here, it says 26,792, right? But that's how much the total revenue of that listing is. So some people might be watching the video and thinking, well, how much revenue like could I do, or could a seller do if they were one of the sellers? Like, is Amazon making all those sales? Is one seller making all those sales? Like, what? How do we calculate that out? I guess is what I'm asking.
Yeah, fantastic question. So what we can do is use another tool here in our proprietary Hero Launchpad software. This is called our Wholesale Research tool. So if we look along the right-hand side, we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we can actually see all the different sellers that are selling this product. And a quick refresher, or if you don't know, this is what's called the Amazon Buy Box. So when we go in here and we shop, we can either add to cart or buy the product now. And here we can see this product is sold by, and it has a different name that we probably don't recognize. And this just means that it's a third-party seller, much like myself or Steven. And so what we want to do is we want to get our name featured in that buy box. And the best way to do that is to be competitive on price. So let's just take a look at a couple of these sellers that are currently competitive on price. And let's do a little bit of math here together. Let's do a little bit of an experiment. We're going to remember, and we can see this again in our tool here, that this does about $26,000 every month, right? We're going to use nice round numbers. So we'll go 26,000. And then we have to take a look at the different sellers in here that are going to be competitive on price. Amazon wants to provide the customer with the best experience, which oftentimes means the best or lowest price. And so what we like to do is take about 3 to 4% of the lowest price, all of those sellers, into account. So as we can see, we have this major savings to you. They're at 3061, 3076, 3109, and then coming up to 3250. We'll go ahead and include this one as well. It looks like a second offer from that same seller. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if we were able to sell the item and we sent it in, that would be 5 different sellers. And so let's look at revenue. We'll look at units as well. But we can look at 26,000 divided by 5. That would give us $5,200. So we could reasonably expect, if we source this item, to sell about $5,200 every single month with just this one BioSteel item. And if we look at the estimated units sold, if you're sitting there saying, well, that's great for revenue, but how many units does that equate to? Well, if we take our 871, divide that by 5, that's about 174 units that we could sell every single month.
And Mike, just with something like this, then we don't have to order 174 to get started. Like we might order, if these come in a box of 20 or something like that, would that be what you would say would be your initial order? Or how do you look at that?
The great thing about doing a business model like this is you get to choose how much you order. You're going to work with suppliers whenever we're doing the wholesale model, and you're going to tell them how many units you want. And so if we're looking at this and saying that we can do about 170 sales per month, we might go in with a much more comfortable rate of, like you said, 20 units, 30 units, 40 units, and we can actually test to see if we do sell out very quickly. And then we could potentially go back to our supplier and order more and more and work our way up to that $5,200.
Love it. All right, nice and simple. Well, I think we should keep moving. Let's look at some more stuff.
Yeah, let's take a look at a couple more categories because, of course, we want to see that this works in multiple different categories, not just the health and beauty category. So again, if we go down and we start shopping by department, let's take a look at another category that might be very interesting to us. So one of the big categories, of course, is going to be toys, kids, and baby. It's all encompassing of some of the most giftable items that are out there. We click into that and then we can make a choice here between either toys and games, baby, etc. So let's go toys and games and let's see what we can find in toys and games. And so what I'm doing throughout all of this is I'm really looking for big brand names that I recognize, right? And we need to continue to niche down because it's such a big category. But what I want to do is I just want to click on things and find things that I'm starting to recognize the brands for. And so as I come in, we can even shop by brand. And I would hope that there's a lot of brands here that really draw your attention and you would know. Big brands such as Barbie, Crayola, Fisher Price, Mattel, right? All the biggest brands out there are listed here in the toys and games category. So what we can do is we can dive in a little bit closer and take a look at some additional items in that area. So let's take a look at Nerf. That drew my attention. And this actually takes us right to the Nerf store. And so this one's really interesting because we can go in and we can search by, different category of Nerf product, right? So let's click in and let's take a look at a Nerf product actually being sold on Amazon. And let's just take a look at, some of the revenue numbers that are made in some of these big toy names. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and we'll look at the scanner and we'll take a look at what the monthly revenue and units sold were for this. So for this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blaster, $57,000 every single month in revenue, 3,800 monthly units sold. And as we saw, this is one of many products that Nerf actually offers.
Yeah, I mean, you literally with Nerf, like you could be into, I'm guessing over 100 SKUs. I'm not actually entirely sure exactly how many is in the Nerf range, but the fact that this one specific Teenage Mutant Hero product is doing 57,000 a month, like Mike, could we see like what will be one of the bigger sellers even and see just to give a feel for how big that is?
Yeah, absolutely. So let's go through a few of these and we'll try to find one that's selling extremely well. And Steven, as you saw, like we clicked on just the elite section and there's in here just dozens just in this one area. So let's find a product that sells probably even a little bit better than this. And let's see what some of those numbers look like. So a Nerf Elite 2.0 Eagle blaster. So let's open up our scanner and see. I have a good feeling that this will be even a little bit more. So 33,000 here, 1,600 units. That one's pretty good. Let's see if we can find another here as well. And really, we're just looking at, all right, we have a few dozen here. There's other categories of Nerf as well. And then again, this is one single brand. And so once you start to stack these up, again, this one's another $23,000 in monthly revenue, it looks like here. So you start to stack these up, and just in Nerf alone, you're looking at hundreds of thousands, probably more like millions of dollars every single month, right? And remembering that we can insert, like we looked at with BioSteel, ourselves into that equation and take even just a sliver of millions of dollars per month, well, we're starting to build ourselves a really nice little business.
So there are two categories you really like looking at. What would you say is another category that people can really look into that has a lot of demand?
Yeah, let's take a look at one last category here together. I would say let's go into pet supplies, right? Because we know that people absolutely love their pets. So let's dive in and we can look at many different subcategories in here. But even if we just look at dog food and we pop into dog food and we take a look at a list of a bunch of different brands that, again, we probably recognize. We have Pedigree, Hill's Science Diet, Purina, Blue Buffalo, these massive brands. So let's try to find one here that sells extremely well. This one is actually number 10 in pet supplies, and we can actually even see in the buy box here, this is a third-party seller, right? They're shipping themselves, but it's sold by a third-party seller. This is not Amazon selling this product. So let's take a look at what some of the numbers are for this item, and I think that they're going to be pretty staggering. So this one, $525,000 every single month sold in bags of dog food, 15,000 units every single month. And we saw that this is actually sold by a third-party seller, meaning that we can actually take a small share of those profits. We could find a supplier, buy some Blue Buffalo life protection formula products, and take a slice of $525,000 every single month.
Let's look at this, right? So it's $525,000 in revenue. Can you find what the bestseller rank is on this product, just to give a feel for like where this is? So a bestseller rank is how well it's selling in that category in Amazon.
Yeah. So the bestseller rank we can see right here on the screen is 10. So it's the 10th best selling product in the pet category, which is incredible, right? It very clearly moves and sells a lot of units per month. So it means that there's only 9 products in the pet category that sells better than this item. So this is a fantastic seller.
So as you can see from today, these are just some of the categories that we spend our time in. There's so much demand out there. There's so much opportunity. We've got lots more videos on this channel that are going to show you how to go that bit further, how to find suppliers, how to identify what the right products are, and so much more. But Mike, just a final word from you on, like, when you're looking at this as a wholesale seller, you shouldn't be scared of bigger brands. That's what I took away from you looking at things today. Start there. Don't be scared of them and go from there. Would you agree with that?
I would fully agree with that. Whenever we're looking at even the pet category, the toy category, we saw so many massive brand name items, and we saw evidence that there are already third-party sellers selling these items. That means it's being done by other people, and you can do it too. Some of the best products that we've sold on our account have been these massive brand names that you would know and recognize. So I absolutely think that's the case. If you're looking for more information on how to actually get started and move forward with this business, we'll leave a link down in the description below where you can get that. But until next time, go check out some of our other videos. That's it for us on this one, and we'll see you in the next one.